Hello, my name is Adam. I'm the creator of fluencylesson.com. I'm also a teacher. So this comes from my experience, what I use in class, and it's now available for other teachers. So now, as a new student, you will arrive here, and one of the first things you might want to do is to actually give an email if you want, or at least change your password security. So if you go here to your settings, you will be able to go down here, and there'll be a password here encrypted, and you will be able to type in like your new password, whatever it's going to be, and then set new, and that'll change it from the one that your teacher originally gave you. Here I'm in a student Bruno. Go back and we'll go to the main section here, which is the homework section. This is where your teacher will send you the corrections that you've on the notes from the fluency lesson that you have with them. So you'll arrive there, and you probably would only have one teacher. So the first thing you do is choose it, and you choose Adam. And you'll notice here that the errors are divided into 4 categories, or the notes are divided into 4 categories. You have pronunciation, you have vocabulary, which is new vocabulary that the teacher feels might be useful for you. Errors, these are some mistakes you've made maybe. And notes, these could be anything, that the teacher wants, information the teacher wants to send you. So if we begin with notes, actually, if we click on notes, you'll see in your inbox, you've got things like here's ideas and resources that the teacher wants to send you, and some study notes. Maybe their teacher will send you feedback on the thing. You can open these. There's no information here, but if we go to no information yet in these notes here, but if we go to the errors, the second section, we go to the student inbox, we see something like this. I have done it yesterday. So the teacher says, you've said this is not correct. You've got some options. One is that you could try to correct it here, and you could say, I did it yesterday. Maybe. And you can send that message. Another option would be to actually ask for a hint. So you ask the teacher to give you a little idea what the error might be, or you can request the solution, like you don't know what the thing is. But I think I do, so I'm going to say I did it yesterday. And here I've sent it to the teacher. It now goes to the teacher's inbox, and they can see what you said. And I'll go to the next one. I feel myself, well, I don't know what this is. I'm going to say, give me a hint. So can you give me a hint, please? So now in the teacher's inbox, and the teacher might give you some little clue or something like that. And then you can reply back what you feel the answer is. Vocabulary, interesting, is a section where you would be able to choose a word, and reporting, ask if you don't know what it means, request a solution if you really don't know what it means and you want the teacher. Otherwise, in this section here, you could either perhaps try to use the new vocabulary or give a definition of the vocabulary. And if you do a flashcard system, you could then maybe move these vocabulary to your flashcard system or whatever system you use to learn new vocabulary. So you could do that here, and you say like the reporting in the newspaper is of really low quality, and the teacher then would make a comment on that, maybe make a suggestion about how you should improve it, and it's actually gone to their teacher inbox, as you can see. So you'll be able to see your report. If you don't want that to happen, actually, if you don't want the go to the next automatically, if you were to go here, go to this, and actually turn this off, and you were to write a sentence, okay, it will then also appear directly in the same thread from the lesson. Finally, a really important section is pronunciation. If you have problems, if you're using an iPad or iPhone, you might have problems. Have a look at this section. Otherwise, you would come here, and you would go to a word like this. Okay, here you can see, let's pronounce this word. The first thing you can do is actually listen to the teacher. So you click here and listen to the teacher. You then might want to say it. So you would come here, you would click on the pronunciation, You would then start recording the castles in the air. And when you're ready, you would stop it. And now you'd have the opportunity to listen to yourself or listen to yourself and listen to the teacher, compare them. If you're not happy, go back and record again and castles in the air and you think that's better. And then when you are happy, you can press submit. So this is submit to the teacher. It's updating. And again, I have on automatic next. So you see this automatic next. But at the moment, it's in the teacher's inbox. The teacher will then be able to listen to you and then make comments here about what you could improve in your pronunciation. So that's basically how Fluency Lesson works in terms of the homework section. So you would be answering questions in your pronunciation, in vocabulary, in your errors, and general notes. Last thing to mention will be the structure of the messages. So it begins with in discussion phase with student and teacher inbox. It then moves to a completed unseen section. When you go to a message here and you see it, it will automatically move it to this area where there's flagged messages, completed and seen and archived. And you can manage your old messages, maybe flag the ones you want to come back to or discuss more, or you want to do some more homework on yourself or even discuss with your teacher. Okay. And that is the basic overview of Fluency Lesson homework section. Any problems, let me know, of course. Maybe ask your teacher as well, but definitely you can contact me directly. Take it easy and do your homework. Bye now.